This is the house on the beach across the top. The sun ain't out, so. Oh, wow. Okay. We have a lot of notes here. John 12. Wait a minute. 35. No, wait. 34. Who is this Son of Man? Okay. This is John 10:24. Then the Jews surrounded him and began to say to him, "How long are you going to keep us in suspense? If you are the Christ, tell us plainly." Jesus said to them, "I told you, and you do not believe, and you do not yet believe. The works that I'm doing in my Father's name, these bear witness about me. But you do not believe because you're none of my sheep." This is, and also right here. It starts down here. No, that's not it. That's something else. Right here, suspense. Here's another one. John 9:40-41. Those of the Pharisees who were with him heard these things, and they said to him, "We are not blind also, are we?" Jesus said to them, "If you were blind, you would have no sin. But now you say we see, your sins remain." There's something else. Oh, you need to read all of this. All these notes that I made. All of this is seeing something right here, like, where is your Father? And he says, where's it at? Oh, right here, they made the accusation that, he was going to commit suicide. Okay? They made all kind of, and right here, okay, you need to read all this. John 8, John 8, there's a lot of little fine points in here. Right here, verse 22, then the Jews began to say, "He will not kill himself, will he? Because he's saying, where I'm going, you cannot come." They had no concept of what he was talking about. And right here, 28, Jesus said, "After you have lifted the Son of Man up, then you will know that I am he, and I do nothing of my own initiative." So after all I've been through, you should know by now. That's what I'm trying to get at. And here, somewhere through here, they accuse him of having a demon. Because they didn't understand, they didn't know who he was. But then he said, "You are a Samaritan." And this is where I'm at, 8:48. In answer, the Jews said to him, "Are we not rightly in saying you're a Samaritan and have a demon?" They was out of touch. So are you. Oh, and right here, I read this to you once before. See, 7:31. Still, many of the crowd put faith in him, and they were saying, "When the Christ comes, he will not perform more signs than this man has, will he?" And there was something. Oh, right here. Right here, 28, 6:28. So they said to him, "What must we do to carry out the works of God? In answer, Jesus said, this is the work of God, that you exercise faith in the one whom he sent. Oh, okay, there was something else about, damn it. Oh, recognize. Here it is right here, recognize. What is recognize? I got it up here. Oh, right here, verse 40. This is 640. It says, for this is will of my Father, that everyone who recognizes the Son and exercise, you got to recognize through what I'm saying, through what I'm doing, and then look at the evil and wickedness that you've done to me, okay? He says, for this is the will of my Father, for everyone who recognizes the Son and exercises faith in him should have everlasting life. And over here, oh, hell. Wait a minute. Oh, 5, it starts at 5:38, but it starts, wait a minute. Give me a minute. Oh, right, calling God his own Father. See right there? Somewhere in here, they got mad because okay, oh, right here, verse 18, is it? It said, this is why the Jews began seeking to all the more kill him, because not only was he breaking the Sabbath, but he was calling God his own Father, making himself equal to God. Well, I am calling God my Father, my own real personal Father, but I'm not equal to him, but I have his spirit and power to do what he wants done. Okay? There was something else. Oh, the work, somewhere he told them that if you do not believe that I am he, you will die in your sins. Wait, oh, right here. Did I read you this already? 7:31, still many of the crowd put faith in him. They were saying, when the Christ comes, he will not perform more signs than this man has done, will he? So right here, 32. So now the Pharisees here, oh, they was divided. Hold on for a minute. Okay. Oh, right here. And when they sent out the officers to get him, at 7:45, the officer went back to the chief priests and Pharisees, and the latter said to them, why did you not bring him in? Because they sent them out to arrest him up here, okay? They said, the officer replied, never has any man spoken like this. Okay? So they knew. Right here, they asked him, 53, who do you claim to be? Right here, 8:24. That is why I say to you, you will die in your sin. For if you do not believe that I am the one, you will die in your sins. There's a lot more, but just think about the big picture.